Welcome to my YouTube channel, Pinchy Vlog. I'm here now in my place and I'm going to attend a wedding of my friend. Yeah, nakaraan kasi dito rin kinasalang anak ko. At ngayon, andito na naman ako for a wedding of my friend, my place here in number 7 Kent Road. So come inside and titingnan natin ang celebration ng kanilang kasal. Ayan po, entrance pa lang, ang laki na oh. And then, you see, this is Christian and Ivan wedding on January 15, 2025. Okay. So this is it. Nasa loob ng mga bisita natin. Tapos na ang ceremony. So we're going up. Reception. So beautiful.
Okay.
So this is the reception. With the proud daddy and the proud mom. Ito si proud mom natin. Ito yung proud daddy na gwapo, young and handsome. Young and handsome. Very proud. Yes. Friendship. Yung bride mama naman kanina, ang ganda ng wedding. Oo nga eh. So this is the registration here. So beautiful. They're having a snack. Wow, so nice.
Okay niya eh. So, anong gagawin natin?
Ganda.
Upside down and then the name. From